Hi everyone! I hope everybody's okay. And for today's video, we will make a Tessiner bread. For those who don't know me, my name is macht and I am Filipina based in Switzerland. What is Tessiner bread? Tessiner bread is a white bread and traditionally made in the Swiss canton of Ticino. You can also find this bread everywhere here in Switzerland, for example, in the groceries, in gasoline station, and you can also find this in a small store in the train station. Maybe some of you is having a gluten-free intolerance or gluten-free allergy. There is no problem when you make this bread because you can also use a gluten-free flour. If you don't have a KitchenAid at home or a kitchen machine, you can use your hand, or there's also a hand mixer. But right now I will use a machine because I really miss this and I didn't use it for a while. By the way, this video is not a sponsored. Okay, so let's start making our bread. So I will put the flour inside the bowl. The salt, the sugar, and the fresh yeast. I will divide the yeast into pieces or into a small pieces. Put the olive oil inside the bowl. And last is the water. And we will put this aside in a room temperature for 1 hour. But before that, I will use this clean cloth and cover it. Disclaimer, this is actually my first time to do this Tessiner bread, and someone already requested to me to make this Tessiner bread. So I have here a weighing scale beside me, a sharp knife, a flour, and this bowl where I mix the bread. So now I will remove my wedding ring. Make sure that your working place or your working table is clean. Now I will put some flour. I'll cut the bread in the middle. I should have 5 pieces. Okay. So I will roll it a little bit. will make the second. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you have any suggestions, questions, ideas, just comment down below. The recipe I will put in the description down below. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you get a notification when I post a new video. Stay safe and have a nice day. Bye!